Open your eyes and take a look around. Now, we are in a digital world. People are brought closer with a single click, a data byte, a smart device, and so on. Mankind, devices, cities, businesses, and industries are all experiencing rapid change. This brings a fresh adventure, a groundbreaking connecting channel, and a brand new lifestyle. We are in a digital world where networks form the fundamental core. As a leading ICT infrastructure and industry solution provider, Ruijie Networks has been dedicated to fully integrating technologies and applications, innovatively solving problems for our customers since founded in 2003. Now, Ruijie has built 7 R&D centers and over 50 brand offices around the world, with more than 8,000 employees and 20,000 partners. Global market has seen rapid and continuous growth in revenue. Ruijie invests more than 15% of its revenue in product and solution research and development, with over 55% of its employees dedicated to R&D. It owns over 1,200 patents for now. Ruijie has provided end-to-end integrated solutions covering basic networks, and now it has served customers from more than 60 countries and regions worldwide, spanning various industries such as internet, telecom, enterprise, education, finance, healthcare, government, and so on. Ruijie constantly injects momentum into global digitalization with a belief in innovation beyond networks. We stay committed to helping our customers worldwide gain success together in the digital world.
The webinar is going to start now. Good morning, good noon, good evening to everyone from different countries. Thank you for participating in this webinar. Today, it's our honor to introduce Ruijie 5-star hotel network solution for you. I'm your host, Yuni, the marketing manager of Ruijie. Next to me is our GTM manager, Felix.
Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. It's Felix from Ruijie Enterprise GTM team, and I'm very excited to attend today's webinar with all of you guys in front of the screen. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Felix. Now, let's get ready to start today's topic, the Ruijie 5-star hotel network solution. Before we start, let's see some requirements to build up 5-star hotels network. Felix, do you have any insights on this?
Of course, Yuri. Actually, recently we have done many research and analysis. We found that the various regions or countries, they have different definitions for the so-called 5-star hotel. So I think the unified definition for a 5-star hotel doesn't exist. But just taking Marriott's global property network standard or the namely GPNS as an example, I think currently a typical 5-star hotel primarily focus on the quality of luxury services 24 hours one day, including network quality or the security of employees and the hotel staff, and what's more, strong technical support or post-sale support from vendor or from SI is also significant.
Oh, Felix, restaurant leaders are very important. And in your opinion, what are the real needs of the hotel network?
Okay, yes, the real needs of our hotel, 5-star hotel. So just as I cite, due to the luxury hotel positioning or the actual needs of the high-end guests and the reputation is very important for a 5-star hotel brand image. So I think 5-star hotels typically require an ultimate Wi-Fi experience. So ultimate Wi-Fi experience means just fast speed, or I think the internet is okay. It is just the minimum standard, and they require utmost security and stability, because I know that in a 5-star hotel or in luxury places, device failure or cyber attacks, they are unacceptable for high-end guests. And additionally, they require convenient operations and maintenance platform to improve the ultimate efficiency. Because the 5-star hotel network is very complex. It's a huge sized network.
Oh yes, Felix is right. Our 5-star hotel clients have many needs, and correspondingly, they must want an excellent network solution. Felix, today, do you bring Ruijie 5-star hotel network solutions to share with us?
Of course, our team has prepared much for the webinar. Okay, of course, let's firstly take a look at the topology of our new hospitality solution, which includes the overall network architecture of Ruijie's solution and the recommended products like firewall, like switch, and scenario-based APs. So the topology or the solution is based on scenario-based hardware selection and the rich software enterprise software features to meet all kinds of customer needs in the hotel, like staff or the guests. And I will explain the details later.
Okay, thank you, Felix. That's so cool. And before you go into the details, let me talk about this webinar agenda.
Okay.
And everybody, this webinar will have 3 parts. The first 2 parts will introduce Ruijie Hotel Network Solutions, and it's mainly presented by Felix. And the third part will cover a big upgrade to Ruijie service policy for 2024, and it will be presented by another mystery guest. In addition, we will also have 3 rounds of lucky draws. So pay attention. The prize in this webinar are different from the previous ones. So everybody stay tuned. Now, Felix, you can continue with your more details.
Okay, and actually, really, after hearing your introduction, I am really looking forward to today's Lucky Dogs. Okay, thank you, Willie. But before I begin my introduction, I think I have a very interesting question for you and for all of the partners in front of your screen. So, what do you think a good Wi-Fi experience looks like? So, is there any personal criteria for your standard or for your comments?
Oh, in my opinion, I don't think so. I believe it is the one not recognized by others. After all, I can't try every solution by myself. If someone says one solution is very nice, I could give it a try.
Okay, I think you're right, Yuli. I think in that case, the voice of the customer is always and really persuasive. So, how about watching a customer video?
Oh, that's very cool.
Okay.
I'm Kellogg and I was responsible for Hong Kong Lincolnford project. Hong Kong Lincolnford is a luxury department store in Hong Kong and mainland China. Their department store and office Wi-Fi network was using Cisco, and they most concerned about the quality but not the price. At the beginning, their Cisco Wi-Fi only covered the customer area and did not cover the back office area and store small warehouse. So customers facing the problem on poor network signals and insufficient coverage. Because of the requirement of application, Wi-Fi coverage must be enhanced and Cisco solution need to add on many APs. But there are limitations on cabling. After Ruijie site survey and performance test, Ruijie can achieve full Wi-Fi signal coverage with excellent signal quality by one-to-one replacement, even though additional AP was added. After first department store adopted Ruijie Wi-Fi solution, customers Kong was very satisfied with the performance, and they decided to replace all department store Wi-Fi and level in Hong Kong and mainland China. Then customer also replaced their headquarter Wi-Fi, and finally their headquarter data level switch and data center also used the Ruijie.
Oh, Felix, seeing what was mentioned in the video makes me very excited. It indicates that our Ruijie products are indeed recognized by our customers, especially in the terms of network coverage. Our products have a big advantage compared to our competitors. But Felix, have you conducted any on-site tests to prove this point? I believe that with on-site tests, our customers as well as our audience in front of the screen will be more convinced of the strengths of Ruijie products.
Yes, of course. I think just as a single speaker is louder than words. So last week we just conducted a real test about two products comparison about its coverage, its signal strengths in our office. And tonight we are happy to present the result to everyone, every partner. So everyone, please take a look at the next video. And I promise the video is really impressive.
Cloud. Make your business easy.
Wow, Felix, that's very impressive. Now, I have completely believed in the strength of Ruijie products. But how does Ruijie achieve such strong signals?
Okay, yes, the proof is really hard to assemble. And so just as I said, there must be something special to realize such strong signal strengths. So the secret lies in the intelligent antenna algorithm software built in every of our AP and the better beamforming technology. And so compared to the conventional hardware design, our Ruijie enterprise APs offer better stability and flexibility to all stations. I mean, almost all stations, even in the ultra high density environment. So I think this allows for about 1.5 times signal coverage in comparison to the common AP, other brands AP, and about 20% cost reduction in equipment costs. So that's really useful, right?
Oh, I really understand. And I believe the audience also understand the strength of Ruijie products. Okay, all right. It's time for our lucky draw. So what are the prizes in this video or in this webinar? Okay, let's take a look. This time, the stakes are high, and the prize for this webinar is 30% discount for a big kit. Both of these two products are our top enterprise level products, learned for their exceptional performance. Now, let's kick off the first round and invite our lucky assistant to draw the winners for us. Everybody just wait a minute. Oh, now let's together shout
3, 2, 1, start.
Oh, now we have gotten the winners. Congratulations.
Okay, congratulations to
these
Lucky
winners.
Dogs. And 30% discount is a huge discount, right?
Yes,
Right.
and don't worry, after the webinar, we will send an email to all the winners, so don't worry. Okay, Felix, apart from the signal advantage, do you have any other insights to share with us about Wi-Fi experience today?
Oh, yes. So maybe some partners you don't know, enterprise AP supports many other rich features. So, for example, the RF navigation is really beneficial to the high density environments or the conventional or the conference room. So, for example, in the hotel, there are many users, right? And the many users still also have many other slow or fast stations, such as iPhones or smartphones or the old computers, new computers, even smart furniture, even printers. So I think those we found that those so many slow or fast stations, they are just competing for the limited channel resources. As a result, the high-speed channel of AP, for example, the 5G channel of AP is maybe crowded with so many low-speed terminals, right? Like smart furnitures. And in that case, amongst many users, they won't have a smooth experience. They feel lag. So RF navigation it is able to automatically recognize different speed terminals and allocate high quality channel resources to high speed stations. So let's just conclude in one word. Slow clients match slow channel and fast clients match faster channel. So almost all stations can get the best overall performance.
Oh, right? Felix, it's really a good feature. It's really a good feature. And I trust maybe you have more surprises for us. I'm sure the audience will also want to know.
Okay. I think surprise beyond your imagination. So how about introducing the RM, right? Video resources management to. So another example in hotels, such as in a function room or in the guest rooms, there are many APs in the room, in the corridor, in the lobby, in the meeting room, and many other private hotspots. So as a result, the interference is very extensive. Interference problem is really hard to be solved. So the guest internet experience may be very poor, right? Because there is so many interference. So the RM is an interference control instrument that analyzes the surrounding RF environment in real time and automatically adjusts the parameters of each AP, like the power or the channel of each AP to minimize the interference among the area. So in this way, I think the user experience could be guaranteed. And for hotel staff, IT manager, they no longer need to rely on their personal experience to optimize the network. Even I think even network optimization could be realized based on specific AP group or specific scenario, like 3 APs in the corridor, 2 APs in the lobby can be achieved.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Felix. Thank you, Felix, to share with us this surprise. It turns out our products possess so many impressive features. I think there will be more and more features.
Yes.
Okay. And I believe after using Ruijie products, 5-star hotel customers will have a great network experience. Besides network experience, network security is also a crucial concern for the 5-star hotels.
Yes.
There are many reports about hotels being attacked, leading to the leakage of much user information. Additionally, network attacks can also cause network devices to crash. affecting network operations. So, Felix, can Ruijie network solutions protect the hotel network security?
Of course, to be honest, security is always a big concern for most enterprise level customers. So I think you don't have to worry about that. You can always trust Ruijie products because our Ruijie APs support WIDS, which is an enterprise level security feature and can effectively address issues like root APs or flooding attacks or AIP spoofing. But I just think just talking is cheap. So how about watch a video about how the WIDS works?
Oh, a video, okay.
Right?
Now for you to demonstrate the Ruijie AP anti-rogue AP function. We first create AS ID on AP web. Then create a hotspot with the same name on the cell phone to simulate the rogue AP, and then use another computer to connect to the rogue AP's Wi-Fi. Turn on the Ruijie AP containment feature with a few simple clicks on the AP web. At this time, you can see that the AP has detected the MAC address of the rogue AP, and the computer connected to the rogue AP cannot access the internet.
Okay, so everyone just like you saw, so the WIDS is really easy to configure on Ruijie AP web,
Yes.
right? Just a few steps, a few click, a few buttons. So in addition to WIDS, our APs, Ruijie Enterprise APs, also support a unique feature. So let's call it dynamic blacklist, right? So I think by the combination of WIDS and dynamic blacklist, the security of hotel of its high-end guests could be maximized.
Oh, wait a minute, Felix. Dynamic, Felix, what is the difference between the dynamic and static blacklist?
Okay, that's a good question. So what's the difference, right? I have summarized some points. So let's take an example. If now a flooding attack suddenly occurs in a famous five-star hotel, the conventional static blacklist of other brands APs is manually controlled by someone, maybe by IT manager, and so the updates may not be timely, leading to internal device to be kidnapped and even data leakage. So I think for a five-star hotel and its guests and its staff, the result is really catastrophic, right? It is a catastrophic phenomena for its guests. Maybe some presidents or some CEOs are living in the hotel. It is really dangerous, but you don't have to worry about that because our AP support dynamic blacklist, so which can automatically update its contents based on real-time information, right? So and after WIDS detects the attack, dynamic blacklist, our AP is able to automatically block the dangerous MAC addresses, right? So offer greater flexibility and improve the security, and even reduce the workload and management costs of the hotel. So saving TCO, right?
Oh, thank you, Felix. Thank you, Felix. It seems WIDS and dynamic blacklist is very good features. And now, it seems that there is no need to worry about security issues.
Yes.
Using Ruijie solution can make five-star hotel customers fearless of various network concerns. All right, now it's time. It's time for our second lucky draw. Let's again invite our drawing assistant. She's very lucky. And everybody just wait a minute. Oh, now it's okay. Let's together.
So it's
Three,
2, 1, start.
Okay. Oh, so cool. Now we have gotten a winners. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, let's continue. And now, earlier, we discussed the network quality and security of the hotels. Now, let's talk about the network stability of the hotels. Because a stable network can bring better experience for hotel guests. But now, many five-star hotels often face 3 types of issues within their networks, such as sudden failure or disconnection of APs, or even network paradise due to loop incidents. Once these problems occur, they will impact hotels' reputation. So, in the face of these challenges, so important challenges, Felix, what solutions does Ruijie solution provide?
Okay, by using rich enterprise APs and the switches, I think you don't have to worry about the stability. Stability could be effectively guaranteed by our products. So as you see in the picture, so for the issue of AP disconnection, I think the CHD feature is really useful. Okay, CHD means coverage hold detection. So means enable our AC to command our AC could command the neighboring APs to establish some kind of contact or relation. And after one AP fails or one AP's link to AC fails, the other others automatically cover the blind spot by amplifying its power. So I promise that the user won't be affected. They can't feel any failure. So so speakers louder than words, right? I think many of you are wondering, are you lying? Are you cheating us? Yes. Right? Are you cheating us? I can't believe you. So unless you provide some proof. So to prove that, we have prepared a valuable video about how it works. So let's watch a video.
Oh, please, I'm very agree with you. I have never listened to this feature, so I'm very looking forward to watching this feature. Oh, let's watch together.
This video will demonstrate the Ruijie Enterprise Level Apps Automatic Coverage Hole Detection (CHD) feature. The engineer has finished debugging the network, and we can see that the terminal has connected to the network. At this point, our terminal is connected to the AP820LV3 on-site. We'll leave this AP in place and then deploy the other 2 APs to distant locations. Now we're optimizing the network, collecting RF information, and we can see the power after the AP optimization is complete. Then we're starting the test. We'll unplug the power cord of the on-site AP820LV3. At this moment, we haven't enabled the CHD function. That AP has gone offline. The terminal has connected to the AP840L, but the signal is very weak. The engineer is enabling the CHD function. We can see that the signal is starting to strengthen, indicating that the APs in the distance are increasing power to cover this area. Let's take another look at the power, and there has been a change. The CHD function has taken effect. The Ruijie Apps Automatic Coverage Hole Detection (CHD) feature helps address single-point failures in APs within hotels. Cloud. Make your business easy.
Alex, I'm very excited. It seems CHD features looks very impressive. Even if an AP goes offline, the terminals remain unaffected. That's amazing. That's really, really amazing. Okay, but I have another question. What if our core switch crashes? That will leave many devices unusable.
Right. Just as you cite, switch is necessary in a topology in the structure, but don't worry. We also have a method for that. Ruijie switches support virtual switching unit, so which enables redundancy configuration and fault tolerance. So thus improving the network reliability and ensuring normal operation even during device failures. So when one switch breaks down, another device takes its place to ensure the normal operation of the hotel network.
Felix, I'm very reassured by your answer. According to this, I believe the loop problem, Ruijie solutions can also either to solve it. Yes.
Yeah. You are quite sharp, Yuri. So with Ruijie's unique RLDP protocol, I think we can beat farewell to loops problem forever. So that's what a short video about how it works.
Oh, another video.
Right, just 10 seconds.
Felix, after watching this short video, I understand even when loops incident occur, our hotel network can still function normally.
Right, and the customer will also receive the alert message about the loop accident in time.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic, Felix. It seems like Ruijie solutions can provide our customers with excellent network experience in terms of quality and security and stability. But Felix, I have another final question. Network maintenance. We all know that operating enterprise level equipment can be very, very complex.
Yes.
And for this part, do we have any simple method to help our customers?
Right, of course, Yuri, you got the point. Okay, of course, we have that covered too. And I think maybe many partners still don't know that our powerful, reliable, and famous Ruijie Cloud, the cloud platform also works for Ruijie enterprise products. So speakers louder than words, right? So you need to also how do you like if we do a live demonstration?
I'm just prepared the demonstration. Oh, okay. Everybody, just wait a minute.
Right, wait a minute.
We will have a live demonstration.
So let me give me just several seconds to share my iPhone screen.
Okay, everyone. Now you can see the screen.
So for example, if you are a SI and you have a project in the pre-sale stage, I think you can easily use Ruijie Cloud to create separate VLANs for like for VIPs, for common guests, or for hotel staff, right? Without knowing the complex CLI, right? And the configuration will just cost you a few steps. Even within 1 minute, you can realize you can separate 3 VLANs. So let's have a test. So enter our project, advanced, and VLAN configure.
VLAN.
Yes, and you can here click add.
Okay.
Wireless. Okay. And it's your right, it's your freedom to enter any of the SSID. So and choose the authentication and band limit per user. So to save time, we just don't change anyone, right? So click save.
Okay, save.
And now, right, just 10 seconds. Just 10 seconds.
It's all right.
And there's one VLAN is successfully created. So which means you just I believe Felix is single, right? Right. Okay. Thanks. Okay. So Yuri, for example, now you are in the post sales stage, right? and your project has been received by the hotel, right? But now there is a problem. There is something wrong with your switch. So right. So the hotel, the IT manager flew outside, and he received the alarm message, and he called you. Hey, what's up? You must solve the problem right now. But the problem is you are not on site, right? Yeah. You are at home, and right, you are watching a movie. So I think in that case it is really hard for you to solve the problem, right? So right, how to do it? Okay, good question. No worry, with our ARQD, the problem could be effectively solved, and just about 1 minute. So click tooltip and ARQD. Okay, now choose device projection, and choose the right. Choose your project, and okay, if okay, just one switch. Okay, just take this switch. And move your mobile phone. Oh, it's AR. It's AR. Right, you're roaming. Okay. Oh, it's a switch. Right, it's miracle, right? So as you can see, the model of the switch is appeared, and click fix to fix its position. And you can also click plus to amplify. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, again. Let's try again. Try again. So internet speed, right? Okay, you can amplify it, and click any port. And we can. Right, you can click any port. Oh, try. Oh, to check the information, and even the RTOD could give you a method, a method for solving the problem, right? So it's very fast. You don't have to worry about switch problem, right? Oh, thank you, Felix. Thank you, Felix. That's very make me excited. Right. So Ruijie Cloud, the platform also worked for Ruijie Enterprise product. Okay. Oh, that looks amazing, the left demo. But what about, Felix, what about drawing the sales process? For example, our customers, he wants to see the roaming effect of AP. In the face of this, and how can we visually present the roaming effect to our customers? It's very hard. It's very hard. Right. Roaming is abstract, right? Really abstract. So how to prove it is it's really hard to prove. But our Ruijie Cloud has a simple feature, a simple function for to show roaming effect. So let's watch a short video about 10 seconds. Video, okay. Right? About 10 seconds. Another video. Very exciting. Oh, Felix, this video, what it shows, is very fantastic. With this AR roaming feature, the roaming effect is clearly visible. Right, just a random movement, and you can see the roaming effect with the eyes. It's really visible, right? Oh, and we no longer have to worry about presenting the network roaming effect to our customers. It's very visible. And after using Ruijie Cloud, I believe our customers can easily handle network maintenance. I have this confidence. And okay, for the last part, we will introduce what?
introduced Ruijie service support in 2024. And I believe every audience in front of the screen are very, very looking forward to this. It's an absolutely new service policy. And now, let's give a big thank you to our dear Felix. And Felix, we are going to have a break. And mystery guest, we are introducing the Ruijie service for us. And thank you, Felix.
Okay, thank you, Yuli. Thank you, everyone. And goodbye. So please remember, Ruijie Enterprise #1, right?
Oh, thank you. Okay, let's welcome our special guest to share with us. Please welcome Johnny, Ruijie Service Support Engineer. Hi, Johnny.
Hi, Yuli. Hello, everyone. It's Johnny from Ruijie Service Team.
Oh, Johnny, everyone has been very looking forward to Ruijie Service Support in 2024. And now, tell us quickly about the new changes in Ruijie Enterprise level service this year.
Okay, no problem. We can see in this. This slide.
Okay, something wrong.
Yeah, something wrong. So it is for our enterprise product global warranty service. We provide a 3-year standard warranty for all of our projects. There are 2 different types of warranty policies. The first one is for enterprise entry-level products. We provide 1-to-1 replacement since February. We offer the RFR mode to partners with their lead, but before they have to send back to China, such as firewall in the past. But we can support all of the entry-level products with 1-to-1 replacement now. You can easily change the field one with local VAD. The second one is we provide RFR 15 calendar day shipment for enterprise middle and high-end products such as CS85 series and AC series. We have 6 local spare parts warehouse in UAE, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam to provide vendors service.
Oh, Johnny, it looks amazing. There are so many countries. In addition, for gold and silver partners in these countries, do we provide any new support?
Yeah, sure, of course. As I mentioned, we have 6 local spare parts centers in 6 countries, so that we can provide 15 calendar day shipment standard warranty service. But to support gold and silver partners in the enterprise project, we decided to upgrade the warranty service for the middle and high-end product from 15 calendar day to next business day shipment. So in these 6 countries, and also I'm very happy to inform our partners, the upgrade cost is totally zero, and it's free for our gold and silver partner. So the upgrade policy period is from April to the end of December, which means the order in this period, you can upgrade to next business day shipments automatically, and it's free. The most important is that is not only for this year NBD, the whole 3-year warranty, all of them which placed an order this year will upgrade to next business day shipment.
Oh, it's really a big change, Johnny. And in this way, I trust our gold and silver partners can do their projects more confidently, okay?
You're right. We can provide 1-to-1 replacement in global and some in 6 countries to upgrade free NBD shipments. But for enterprise projects, customer always needs more different service for their project to meet the customer's critical network, such as a longer warranty service years, higher service levels, and so on. We have multiple Recare Plus service for customers, such as a 5-year warranty service package, which will enjoy a more favorable price. And we can provide 4 hours arrival and on-site support. We provide this more higher service to meet customers' requirement.
Oh, I'm thinking what Johnny said. I think it's very, very great. And I believe our customers will like this suppose. Oh, now it's time. It's time for our third lucky draw. Okay, let's invite our lucky draw assistant to share his screen. Okay, everybody. Now, the third lucky draw. Let's together say 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, thank you. Now we have got the 3 winners. Okay, congratulations. And let's continue. Let's continue about Johnny's show. Johnny, I remember you have mentioned many suppose, but I have a question for you. How can our customers get this suppose? How does he get the suppose?
Yes, as you mentioned, when we deliver or operate enterprise projects, you must to consult about whether we can solve your problems quickly and efficiently and professionally. I'd like to introduce our expert channel to you. We provide different types of support channels. You can see the traditional entrance, hotline, case portal, and live chat. We can also support social media apps such as WeChat, WhatsApp, Line, Facebook, and so on. To make your case support easier and faster, we provide English 24 hours, Spanish working hours in Mexico working hours, and we will release Arabic in Q2. Yeah, so you can see the blue line, blue support flow. When we open tech support case, it will be from the case operator to layer 1 and then layer 2 and then R&D. But for our gold and silver partner, we can talk with the L2 expert engineer directly according to the enterprise serial number or register engineer account. That means forget operator, forget L1, you can directly talk with L2, solve the problems. I believe that is if we use this kind of way, we can solve your issues much more quickly and much more professionally.
Oh, thank you, Johnny. It's so cool. But in addition, I heard that many of our customers, they want to learn some Ruijie knowledge. They want to learn some technology. And in this, for this part, do we have any suppose in this part?
Yeah. Let's continue. Sure. In this slide, I will introduce how to learn the technology of Ruijie. In addition to the upgrading of maintenance policies and the technical support of expert channels, easier and more effective training will be useful for our project delivery. We have a comprehensive training and empowerment system from the knowledge base to the product learning for enterprise. We have RSC enterprise training structure from the RSC enterprise product to solution and the troubleshooting from the junior to the senior. We already released the RSC enterprise products and the hotel solution. And we will continue to update the courses according to the customer's requirements. By the way, for the hotel scenario and for gold and silver partner, we also develop the training roadmap for them. You can follow the roadmap to learn enterprise technology. We divide into 3 phases. The first phase is to learn our devices and the basic product and the configurations. The second phase is to learn how to plan, design, and deployment in a hotel solution. The third phase is in scenario-based faults and solution sharing. After you finish learning all of the training, I believe you can deliver the Ruijie Enterprise project as well. By the way, all of the training is free and it's from our Ruijie vendor. Our customer, if you want, you can contact with our local post sales.
Oh, what I have heard is free. and so great, and our customers can easily learn much technology, can learn much knowledge for free. Okay, our new suppose and Johnny, I have another question. Our new service policy is very cool, but our new suppose currently in place. I can't wait to hear some of our customers' feedback.
Yeah, of course. We have got some feedbacks. Okay, let's watch a video.
Oh, a video. Okay, a video about the feedbacks.
Hello, everyone. My name is Engineer Lorenzo De Leon, and I am honored to serve as the Technical Manager of Ronesis General Trading Corporation. The online forums and discussion groups provide valuable opportunities for knowledge sharing and collaboration. I would also like to highlight the value of the post-sales training offered by Ruijie Philippines. They are very comprehensive, hands-on. To end this, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to Ruijie Philippines for their exceptional services.
Firstly, I will go to Ruijie website, and then I will go to Rita live chat. I will send solving solution link to you, then we click on it. It will show you step by step how to solve this issue. That is final step, and it will go online soon. Thank you.
Thank you to the Hong Kong regional sales engineer who provided a lot of sales assistance such as quick response service and problem-solving solutions as well as valuable skills training. I hope our cooperation get better.
Johnny, so many customers' feedbacks. I'm very excited. It seems that our new service policy has been very well received. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Johnny.
Thank you. Thank you.
And we hope that in the future, our Ruijie team can provide more professional solutions for everyone, for every audience in front of the screen, and our hotel customers. Finally, let's take a look at the Q&A area. I'm sure everybody is very excited, and maybe you have asked maybe a lot of very interesting questions. Okay, let's see some questions. Do Ruijie, this audience says, do Ruijie products have any WIDS functioning? Oh, these questions, maybe I will invite the Ruijie colleagues to answer your questions, okay? Then in next time, you come, and I will invite our Ruijie colleagues. He definitely can answer your question. Okay, and the next question, let's see. What is the convex time of CHD and how it manages intermittent AP failure? Our engineer has answered these questions. It says the failure is detected by hardware access controller. Oh, everybody, you can try this function. It's very cool. You can try it. I have watched the video. It really makes me excited. Okay. And I've seen other questions. Let's see about the service. Maybe about the service questions. Let's look. Okay, this year. Well, this question. Is that you can see? Johnny, you can. Okay. You can watch it.
3-year warranty is high-end product is not too much. Competitors offer lifetime warranty. Oh, it's already answered. We will gradually upgrade your warranty service to cover more and more high-end products. Please feel free to contact our local team if you encounter any issues.
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. Maybe in the future we will support this.
Yeah.
Very. Okay.
Okay. This is.
Oh, and other questions. Oh, no. Oh, so many questions. Let me see. Oh, and the next question, how can I join the learning session?
The learning course will be published on the official website and YouTube. Also in Ruijie, we have training part in the official website, and we also have e-learning website. You can register the e-learning and learn whatever you want. Also in regional and in country, we will schedule some offline training periodically. So you can join the training too.
Okay, thank you, Johnny's answer. Thank you, Johnny's answer. And the time is getting late. And for other questions, we can communicate through the email in the future. And finally, thank you for all audiences in front of the screen. Thank you for your participating. And this is the end of our webinar today. And you are welcome to contact us if you have any suggestions. And all the winners, pay attention, all the winners. After this webinar, maybe tomorrow, we will send an email to you. And we will contact you to the email. And okay, just pay attention to your email. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Thank
Goodbye.
you. Bye-bye.